Yeah.
Ooh, it's here.
Oh, that's it. That looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is the one Si's got.
Yeah, it's nice. You don't need something big, do you?
No.
It's quite low.
Yeah, it's quite low.
Yeah, I like that one, but I'm not sure how much it is. I think online it's like 700.
Yeah, it looks a bit pricey. Okay.
400. It's bigger phone, but I don't really know the difference. Get the lash right.
Ooh. It's got a glove in it.
I can see what's happened. It's on a screw. Can you see?
Oh, okay.
So you've turned it round too often.
So it does work.
Yeah.
The handle does work.
Yeah.
Right.
That's no problem. Yes, I like this one. Not as pretty, but I think that practical will pay off.
It's got a bigger window as well, so we'll be able to see more fire.
Yeah, and we can. I was thinking that as well, because the box is more higher, bigger. We won't have to fill it up as often. Instead of, putting wood in every half hour, we can do it every 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I want this one. Let's go and find someone.
Okay, we'll go find someone and we'll buy this one. Not this one. Sorry, Si. We're going for this one, not this one.
What are you doing? We're going to light our new log burner. Look. Si's been amazing. You'll see in a minute. And it's fitted. Look at that. Fire! So pretty.
It's drawing.
It's really nice, the flames go straight fucking up. It's not filling the room.
Right, the other one likes to. But I think that was the wood we were using.
closer to Christmas.